Hey everyone, Vince here. Just as you thought, the Plinko apps were dead. Here we go again, everyone. Welcome to Big Win Plinko. Now, if you don't know who I am or what I do, my name is Vince. I play all the scam apps on YouTube, or I guess not even on YouTube, on the Play Store, and I post them to YouTube, okay? So, pretty much, man, we're back with another Plinko episode, guys. This has been called one of the biggest scams going around town. Add 50... What? Why do I have to add anything, dude? That was weird. It just instantly prompted me to watch an advertisement, bro. Anyway, besides the point, okay? These Plinko apps are the biggest scams going around, okay? And my job, I dedicated my whole YouTube channel now, for the last month, to exposing scam apps like these Plinko apps, okay? I've dedicated like a whole movie on it, bro. So, what these Plinko apps will do, they will trick you into thinking you're going to win real life money, okay? There's no real life money though, dude. None. And what you're starting to see, which is hilarious to me, you're starting to see these apps promise real life money, but you'll never get it. You'll never ever get it, everyone, okay? It's not real. Like, literally, right now, what, I'm on 500 or 600 and $710 apparently. Of virtual money, by the way, now, but really, in reality, they advertise it as like real money. Do you know what I mean? If you press the sign in button, here's where the magic really begins, okay? Here we go. Today I sign in and get $2,000 rewarded. Tomorrow I get $5,000. Day 3, $5 Google Play card. Day 4, PayPal gift card for $5. Day 5, a $10 Google Play card. Day 6, a $10 PayPal card. Day 7, 20,000 of the in-game currency. And just to be the ultimate scammers, here we go again. Let's watch an advertisement to get that sign-in bonus. Everyone, I can't stress this enough, okay? I cannot stress this enough. If you see anything with a Plinko title in it, any sort of app, game, whatever you want, and it says Plinko, please stay away from it. Any Plinko app is legitimately one of the biggest scam titles you could ever imagine, my friends. Take my word for it, please. Do not get scammed. Just check out any of my videos and you will see exactly what I mean, okay? You will never, ever, ever get the rewards that these developers are promising you, okay? You really think you're going to get a $5 Google Play card for signing in, everyone? Do you really think this? I'll show you some of the comments that people are saying, okay? I'll show you some of the comments that people are saying about Big Win Plinko. And it'll be on this video, by the way. Like, this app is a joke, bro. I don't understand what we're meant to do. Look at this. Here we go, everyone. Start 20 slot machines. $5 PayPal reward. Receive 10 box gifts. $5 reward. Get 5 golden keys. 5,000. Complete daily tasks to get rewards. Okay, so I need to start 20 slot machines. Where? Where are they, bro? Where are the slot machine gifts? Where's this real life money? There's no PayPal option here. It just literally says you're going to get the gift cards, dude. What is this right now? What is Big Win Plinko? Like, what is the purpose of this app? Except for to shove advertisements in your face. Like, dude, how is anyone playing these Plinko apps still? Guys, someone please tell me what the premise is of these Plinko apps. If it's not just for scamming you guys and making you watch advertisements. Do you really think you're going to get this money? Honestly, do you think you're going to get, how much you got here? $10, $20, $30. The developer's going to pay you $30. Let's not even look at that. That was just a sign-in bonus. What about the tasks? So we're already on $30, $40. So $40 reward for completing all the tasks in this Plinko app. I'm yet to see anything that even resembles a slot machine right now. There's no slot machine on this app right now. Just an FYI. So how am I get the slot machine bonus? What if I press light? Light one of the 9 bulbs for free. Okay. Sure. Why not? Here we go. Well, I don't even know what that just did. I don't know what that just did. Light. Free. Watch an ad. Nope. Clear. Watch an ad. Nope. Relax a moment. Ad show. Why are you playing an ad when I said no? Seriously, dude? What? I don't know what this is, some sort of card. Why? Solitaire, isn't it? Or whatever? I don't know, man. It's not solitaire, I don't think. What is this? Why is this coming up? What's this got to do with anything I'm doing right now? I love these ads on Google, bro. look at the bottom. How's your day? Hi, how are you? No, hi, are you online? Hello, handsome. Look at the ads at the bottom of the screen. Anyway, everyone needs to stay away from these Plinko apps. I love the fact that I destroyed the Plinko apps. Oh my.
Want money? Play now to start winning.
Look at this.
Someone wins every minute.
Do they really?
How much will you
Let me guess, this Lucky Day or whatever that it's called. This is the Lucky Day app, isn't it, bro? I'm not even joking right now. I just muted it. I can't stand these people dancing around saying they won hundreds of dollars. These actors are the most dumbest looking people you can imagine on the screen, like carrying on like Muppets of the Earth, saying they won this money. Do you know how angry it makes me as a person, dude? I'm just an average guy here, and I have to sit and watch this. I have to sit through this garbage to make quality content for you. What I hope is quality content. Let's be real. It's not the hardest content to make in the world, guys, what I'm doing right now. Seriously, bro. I'm just having a blast doing it. I don't really care if I make it big or not, but we managed to pass 3,000 subscribers, by the way. So obviously you guys do enjoy, so love you long time. Please remember to hit like and subscribe if you do enjoy, and I'm having a blast right now making these videos. I feel like someone has to go to town on these apps. Oh my. They put the watch ad spot directly where I'm going to be spamming. Alright? It's just put there right in the middle. Seriously, is this Lucky Dozer? I know it was going to be Lucky Dozer. What is this? Lucky Dozer Pharaoh. There's a new Lucky Dozer? Classic Dozer 2020. I'm going to give that a try, definitely. Got more trash apps to try out, everyone. Even though it says Lucky Dozer Pharaoh, it's now called Lucky Dozer Classic. Cool. No worries. This app's great, dude. This is it. This is the whole Plinko app, by the way. You're not going to get your money. I'll show you constant reviews of this app, alright? What people are saying about it. Just stay clear, dude. Don't be scammed, please, whatever you do. Don't be scammed by these apps, bro. I'm telling you now. Anyway, I mean, what else can I say? Plinko apps are just a joke in general. I feel like Google needs to come down and completely ban these apps because, yeah, something needs to be done. For real, something needs to be done. It's not acceptable. How does Google allow these apps, bro? Look at this app. What? What's the purpose? I'm on $10,000. Don't know. Don't know, everyone. Either way, I do hope you all did enjoy. Please don't hit that like and subscribe button. Stay safe out there. I'll see you tomorrow for some more videos. Post videos every single day. I'm smashing out these apps, scam videos, bro. Trust me. Thank you. Stay safe. See you later.